Number 1, 1985 Lamborghini Countache Kit Car, $28,000, Moro, Illinois. Kicking things off with a Countache replica that's got real hardware underneath. According to the seller, the fiberglass body is from imaginary fiberglass out of Corona, California, stored indoors its whole life. You've got a 2-inch box tube chassis, a 350 small block Chevy bored 30 over with 4 bolt mains, ported cast iron heads, stainless headers, and an Edelbrock Pro Comp carb feeding a turbo 350 automatic. Suspension is a proven combo, 78 Corvette rear and Fiero front with a Fiero dash and steering inside. Rolling on centerline wheels with all aluminum interior panels. Seller says it's about 75% complete in primer. Drivable but needs finishing. Number 2, 1967 AC Cobra Kit Car, $48,000, Johnson City, Tennessee. Not your typical Cobra replica, and the seller is upfront about it. This one's on a custom chassis with a full C6 Corvette Z06 drivetrain. That's an LS7 7-liter V8 making over 500 horses, 6-speed manual Z06 suspension. That power-to-weight ratio in a Cobra body is, well, the seller calls it mildly dangerous, and that's probably an understatement. Finished in atomic orange, described as a driver, not a show car. At 48 grand, you're paying up, but you're getting a modern, sorted drivetrain you can actually enjoy without the headaches of an old school build. Number 3, 1991 Mazda Miata with GTR Skyline body kit. $8,950, Austin, Texas. This one's quirky and I kinda love it. According to the seller, it's a 1991 Miata, underneath with a body kit, styled after a Nissan Skyline GTR. Still a Miata at heart with that 1.6-liter 4-cylinder, but it runs and drives well. It's lowered, has custom exhaust, custom seats, new top, and fresh timing belt and water pump. Miatas are lightweight, rear-wheel drive, and incredibly fun. So even in costume, this thing is probably a blast. At just under 9 grand, most affordable entry on the list, and definitely a conversation starter. Number 4, 1958 Scarab Mark I Recreation, $13,400, Daytona, Florida. Deep cut for the racing history nerds, and I love it. Only 3 original Scarabs were built by Lance Reventlow, and they beat Phil Hill's Ferrari at Riverside in 1958. According to the seller, this was built by an engineer who made his own molds before Scarab Industries even existed. They later bought his molds to start production. Under the hood, a 383 stroker making around 450 horsepower in a 2,000-pound car. Tremec 6-speed, Corvette disc brakes, 9-inch Curry Ford locker rear end. No power steering, no power brakes, just pure analog driving. Signed by Chuck Pelly, the original body designer. At $13,400, honestly a steal. Number 5. 1953 Jaguar XK120 Kit Car, $14,750, Woodruff, South Carolina. Classic British roadster replica with smart American running gear. According to the seller, it's got Mustang mechanicals, freshly rebuilt C4 automatic behind a V6, new wiring harness, all new gauges, fresh brakes, and new exhaust from the manifolds back. The original XK120 was one of the most beautiful Jaguars ever made, and with this setup you get all that styling without dealing with Lucas Electrics and unobtainable British parts. Most of the hard work is done, but it's still a project. At just under 15 grand with reliable Ford running gear, great entry into the classic car world. Number 6. 1966 AC Cobra Kit Car, $30,000, LaPorte, Texas. Another Cobra, this one from Street Beasts, who've been building replicas for a long time. According to the seller, it's the race version styling with a fresh 302 crate motor from ATK. The listing is light on details, but a Street Beast Cobra with a 302 is a proven combo. Small block Ford, easy to find parts for, makes good power, sounds fantastic with side pipes. Seller calls it a very reliable driver, which is what you want, something you can take out and enjoy. At 30 grand, right in the middle of the pack for a finished Cobra. Number 7, 1937 Jaguar SS 100 Replica, $6,850, St. Stephen, South Carolina. One of the most affordable builds on the list. A replica of the iconic pre-war Jaguar SS 100. According to the seller, Mustang platform, 4-cylinder, automatic, disc brakes, runs and drives great. A 4-banger might not sound exciting, but in a lightweight kit car, it's plenty. You're buying this to cruise on Sundays and watch heads turn. Real SS 100s go for 6 figures, so getting that pre-war styling for under 7 grand is remarkable. Number 8, 1927 Bugatti Type 35 Grand Prix Replica, $19,450, Miami, Florida. Oh man, this one is gorgeous. The Type 35 won over 2,000 races between 1924 and 1930, arguably the most successful race car ever. This replica by Classic Motor Carriages is in iconic Bugatti blue with gold accents, pre-war wire wheels, horseshoe grille, motometer ornament, hood leather straps, and racing numbers. Inside, black leather dash with a refurbished brown leather bench. VW 4-cylinder with a 4-speed manual, which is the classic setup for these. You're not winning races, but that's not the point. This is a rolling piece of art, absolute head turner, clean Arizona title, just under 20 grand. Number 9, 1936 Mercedes 500K Marlene Replica, $18,995, Fargo, North Dakota. Beautiful build. This Marlene recreation by Classic Roadsters captures the elegance of the original 500K really well. According to the seller, white blue gel coat with a red interior, ornamental supercharged exhaust pipes, chrome body molding, pre-war grille, antique headlights, and a split windshield. Under the hood, a Ford 289 V8 with Edelbrock intake and carb, automatic transmission. Thick fiberglass body, no rust worries. Comes with a brand new convertible top never installed, plus the original build manuals and photos. At just under 19 grand, these typically sell for quite a bit more, so solid value here. Number 10, 1938 Jaguar SS Kit Car, $6,950, Cornell, Wisconsin. Wrapping up with another pre-war Jaguar SS Replica, clean and affordable. According to the seller, built in 1986 on a Ford 4-cylinder chassis, automatic transmission, very good condition, top is solid, runs and drives well. It's been licensed, titled, and driven, so it's road ready. The original Jaguar SS is one of those timeless designs, all flowing fenders and long hood. At under 7 grand, probably the most affordable way to own something that looks like a $100,000 pre-war classic. That would be it for this episode. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. See ya!